All aboard the jungle train! Climb on up, let's go again! Choo choo choo, here we go, through the jungle high and low. Look over there, what do we see? An elephant waving hi to me. Big ears flap and a trunk goes swing. Stomp, 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 hear him sing. Next stop now, the monkeys play, swinging from trees all through the day. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, laugh and cheer. Clap your hands, the monkeys hear. Flying by is a parrot so bright, red, yellow, green, what a sight. Squawk, 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 can you say hello? Wave your hand high and low. Hear that roar, it's the Lion King. Mane so big he makes the jungle sing. Roar, 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 can you roar too? Stomp your feet, join the crew. Look way up, a giraffe so tall. Stretch your neck, don't let it fall. Nibble leaves from way up high. Reach, reach, reach up to the sky. The tiger prowls so bold and fast. Orange and black, such a colorful cast. Growl, 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 can you tiptoe? Quiet now, don't scare him, no, no, no. Black and white, the zebra runs through the grass, under the sun. Neigh, 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 kick up your feet. Run with the zebra, isn't that neat? In the river, a crocodile splash. Big white smile and a mighty crash. Snap, 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 can you swim along? Splash with your hands, sing this song. Up in the tree, a toucan calls with a rainbow beak that thrills us all. Caw, 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 say hello too. Flap your wings and wave at you. A choo choo choo, the train goes fast through the jungle, a blast at last. Wave to the animals, 1, 2, 3. Come sing along with you and me. The jungle train is near the end. Say goodbye to each new friend. Choo choo choo, it's